Hungry Lovers, this is Hungry Squad, and today I'm here to do the McDonald's Chicken Nugget Challenge. So the challenge is that you have to do 20 chicken nuggets or more, and this challenge was given by Awesome Austin and Sass ASMR, and if you do this challenge, you will be on their playlist. So I also want to give out some shout outs, because the last few videos I didn't give out no shout outs, so I want to give out a shout out to C Squad, and because they did their chicken nugget challenge. Mama D, she did her chicken nugget challenge too. I think she ate about 30 chicken nuggets. And I also want to give a shout out to TASHA ELAINE, Not Your Average. She did a chicken nugget challenge as well, but her chicken nugget challenge she didn't actually eat the chicken nuggets. I think she took them to a food pantry and actually donated the nuggets instead of eating the nuggets. So go and watch her channel. I'm going to try to link all those channels down below so you can watch those channels, and like and subscribe and comment down below, and make sure you do the same thing to their channel as well. So I'm going to get started with the chicken nuggets before they get hot.
Okay. Okay.
They were stingy with their sauce because I asked for signature sauce, and I don't have not one signature sauce. I have spicy buffalo, like 3 ranches, honey mustard, and then I have the barbecue. And then I had asked for the mac sauce, so I got a little side of mac sauce. And then I got my tropical berry Sprite. I got me some apple pies for later too. So let's get started. I thought I was going to have somebody do this challenge with me today, but they didn't follow through. So I'm going to count these nuggets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So they put 20 in this one. So I'm going to just start out with this box first. I heard these nuggets get cold fast, so we're going to start. I ain't opened up none of my sausages yet. I'm so freaking hungry. I ain't opened not one up yet. Alright, we're going to start out with these 3, since they gave me like 3 of the same ones. They supposed to gave me 12 sauces, but they ended up giving me like 9. They told me I could have 12 when I get home. That's why you should always check your bag at McDonald's, because they short you all the time. I'm going to try this in this mac sauce, because I ain't never tried a nugget in the mac sauce.
Mom, that's why I know your friend.
You know my friend? I'm sorry.
That should be it.
So one thing about this video, we cannot edit. So we have to do the challenge straight through. I got 8 more to go. And the 20 box.
I still want some more drink. Can't see.
Here. I guess I got the 1 and 4 wins instantly. I'm about to peel these things off. See what this is. Five entry tokens. Collect and use tokens to enter daily sweeps or final draw. And 20 entry tokens. Collect and use tokens to enter daily sweeps. I'm going to check into that. I don't really like barbecue sauce on chicken nuggets. Well, I guess today is alright. I think I can only eat 20. I don't know if I can go further than 20. Because I'm already tired of eating these things already. They're not warm no more. I just feel like cardboard. So I'm going to say again, I am challenging Munch with Jay. Ann Lee's Eats. Yana Chantel. ASMR, Foodie Lovers, and Eating with the Good. Oh my God, I'm full.
This is for all you bum-ass Michigan fans.
Oh my god. These chicken nuggets is all different sizes. Got a round one. Got one that looks like a head. And got one over here that looks like a shoe. Oh man, let's see. I think next time on the next video, I'm gonna give y'all a playlist of my fall playlist of the music that I like this fall. It ain't no slow music. I love slow music, but I gave up listening to it a long time ago. It just made me think. I don't want to think about shit. I didn't even ate the ranch too much. I know y'all like this song right here. I'm about to play one song for y'all. See. I can play it. So all I think I can eat is 20. I don't think I can eat no more. This is it for me. I ain't good. That's why I had to play this song, because my mind will be a fool. You can tell me I ain't fly. I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. You can tell me I ain't fly. What's about to fly? Okay. gonna let you listen to one song on my playlist, okay? That's it. So we're gonna close this video on out. So I love you, hungry lovers, and so come back to watch our next video. I think I was inspired to do the hot dogs by Mama D's World. So she did some hot dogs on there, so check that out. So I think that's what I want to do next, the hot dogs. So peace.